Hello everyone! Now we are going to discuss the head, tail, less and sort commands. The first command is the head. Head command is used to print the beginning of the file. The default is 10 lines, so if I type head Fibonacci, it will print the first 10 lines of the Fibonacci file. We can set the printed number of lines with the N option. If I type head-n3 Fibonacci, we can see only the first 3 lines from the content of the file. In this way, we can get a glimpse of a file. There is another way to check the content of the file or the structure of the file. Tail command. This command is used to print the last lines of the file. If I type tail Fibonacci, we can see the last 10 lines, almost the same as the head command. Tail-n3 Fibonacci prints the last 3 lines of the file. If you would like to use these commands in a more advanced way, check the user's manual page of them. Let's move on to the less command. Firstly, I change the user to root. Less /syslog. This command will print the content of the file to the screen in a screenful way, in this case, the syslog. Don't worry if you don't know what syslog is, we will talk about it in another video. You can search through the output forward and backward too. For example, we would like to search the word start in the output from the current place to the end of the output. So type /start and hit enter. If there is a match, it will appear on the screen and it will be highlighted. If you would like to see where the next word is, just press the key N. Let's go to the end of the content. Press Shift G. Now we are at the end of the content. After that, type $start. This will search from the bottom to the top of this output. Hit enter. And if you would like to see the next, press the N key, just like we did in the forward search. If you would like to go to the beginning of the file, just press the G button twice. If the file is being written right now and we want to see the written lines, just press Shift G and Shift N. The less command is a very good choice when we would like to search log files or a huge file which is being written right now. Press Ctrl C and press Q. Now we are exited from the less. Let's move on. Today's last command is the sort command. For example, pipe the output of the fruits to the sort command. Firstly, let's check what's in the fruits file. Get fruits. We can see that the names of fruits aren't sorted. Let's sort it. Get fruits pipe sort. We can see the sorted names. We can sort it in a reversed order with the R option. Get fruits pipe sort R. Hit enter. If you would like to use the sort command in a more advanced way, check out the user's manual of it. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.